Hey, it's Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, we're going to talk about thrifted thoughts and thwarts. One of them got me. You'll see in the future video. Hope you enjoy. I made this eat sign many moons ago and have just been keeping my eye open for a set of the little wooden utensils, and I finally found them. And I had the perfect spot for them. My goal for Thrifted Thought number 2 was to basically turn this metal vase, I guess it is, white. I wanted it way more white than it was brown. All of this is done with a dry brush technique. Essentially, you get a tiny bit of paint on your brush and wipe most of it off and dry brush your piece. Subscribe to my channel to see what I do with this tiny little orange buffet in the future. Thrifted Thought number 3 is actually where I was thwarted. This picture, just every single thing I did to it was a fail. First I painted it all the way around in the black, and I just wasn't happy with it. I still couldn't get away from too much gold. Then I decided I'd give it a wax job and see if I couldn't distress that gold strip and just make the black look a little more worn or more distressed without too much distress. Well, that was fail number 2 with this piece. The wax actually took the black off. I decided, okay, if this is what you want to do, little picture, then we'll do it. And I kind of liked it. I thought it would look okay. Let me add that the tape stuck to the glass so bad, I was almost in tears. It took over an hour to get the tape off. So I brought it upstairs, got the spot ready to hang it, and the little hanger thing broke off. So now, Mr. Picture Frame that refused to work with me, you can sit in a corner. I will just show off a few other thrifted items that needed no work at all. They are beautiful as they came. I picked up this metal mid-century-ish looking table for about $6. Then I picked up this picture frame with the light attached for around $7, I think. Maybe it was $8. If you'd leave a comment below with which was your favorite item, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so now. And if you liked the video, please share it with a friend.